Hello guys, welcome again, this time to a little unboxing of the Apple keyboard with numeric keypad, Portuguese version. This is the box. We cut the plastic. Now we peel off the plastic. And inside the box, here is the Portuguese Apple keypad. Very good keyboard, USB with an USB extension and two extra USB ports on each side. Here is the warranty manual, and it's all. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and we'll see you on the next one.